Students, good morning. Fifth unit in ISO views, we are having a third concept. Isometric views for combined solids. So solids can be classified into prism, pyramid, cylinder, cone, sphere. So on the basis of these five solids, we are having combined solids. Now this is going to be a sphere. Sphere is going to be on square prism. Square prism. Now, question is going to be this. A sphere diameter 50 mm. This is radius. Now, this is radius. A sphere diameter 50 mm centrally placed on the square prism of a dimensions 60 mm by 20 mm. 60 is going to be its length, again 60 is going to be width, height is 20. Draw the isometric view of the arrangements. Solution for the problem. Draw horizontal line first. I am drawing a horizontal line. On this horizontal line, I am drawing isometric axis. Locate a point. Now, from this point, inclined line making an angle of 30 degrees. It represents axis of length. From this point, left side 30 degrees inclined line, 30 degrees inclined line making an angle of 30 degrees. It represents its width or breadth or depth axis. From this point, draw a perpendicular line to its horizontal line. It represents isometric axis along its height, length, height, width. Now, you can consider the sketch. This is isometric block, square block, which is going to be done in isometric. Square block. How much? 60 by 60. 60 by 60. So original length 60. That is going to be, I am measuring this length 60 and keeping here. This is 60 units. Measuring the same length 60. Locating here 60. So I am naming this point is going to be B, representation point B. This is the A, this is the D, A, B, D. After that, what is its height? 20 units. Height on the height axis 20. Measure this length 20 by using a compass. Mark it. Height is 20. From this point, draw a parallel line to BD by using a drafter. By using drafter. The same length. Okay. This is going to be exactly 60. From this point D, draw a parallel line to BH by using a drafter. By using a drafter. Similarly, 60 is the length. From this point, draw a parallel line to A and B. A and B. Like this. Height is 20. So from A point, draw a parallel line to BH by using a drafter. Now, name this point. This is P. This is Q. This is R. Now, passing through P, draw a parallel line to BD. Now passing through R point, draw a parallel line to AB by using a drafter. Now name this point is S, PQRS. Now QR is going to be rhombus diagonal, shorter diagonal. Similarly, then you have to draw a line between the points P and R. Now it becomes center for top portion of square block prism. This is square prism. This is going to be center for it of top portion. Now very important point you have to remember. Now I am drawing isometric scale, which is going to be important for us. Horizontal line, 30 degrees line. This is 30 degrees line. This is going to be 45 degrees line. What about this angle? 45. Now this is going to be O, A, B, C. Now OC line, true length. OB line, isometric projection length, IPL. Isometric projection length. Now for the sphere, radius is going to be 25. Now here from this point, by using a drafter, 10, 20, 25. This is going to be this length, 25 units. Naming this point is going to be T. OT is 20. From T, you have to draw a perpendicular line to its OB, which is going to be meet. OB line. Draw a perpendicular line passing through T, perpendicular to OA, which is going to be OB line. Name this point T of iso. T of iso. Remember that this is going to be most important for us. Measure this length O T suffix iso. Measure this length from CP point. This length you have to measure it. You have to locate it. Now name this point as a center for sphere. Center for sphere. Now again I am telling CS to CP distance is going to be O2 TISO. Isometric projection length. Most important. This is isometric projection length. Otherwise you can do it. ISO TISO is going to be equals to 25 multiplied by square root of 2 divided by square root of 3. This is isometric projection length. After getting isometric projection length, final thing. What is the sphere radius? 25. Whenever you can see the sphere, the radius is going to be same. It does not changes. If you look in 360 degrees dimensions, therefore radius is going to be actual radius or true radius or original radius. CS is a center. Which is a center? CS is a center. This is going to be its radius. You can draw a circle. You can draw a circle. Again I am telling, CS is a center. Sphere radius, original radius is 25. This radius you have to consider. By using a compass, you have to draw a circle. You have to draw a circle. Now, you can consider this is going to be our required sphere. After getting this, which is going to be visible, you have to see. This entire thing you does not specify it. Otherwise, with 2H pencil. Understood? Now S is I'm erasing one of the rhombus corner point. Now this line inside I'm erasing. Otherwise, you have to keep it with 2H. Now this is I'm erasing. So this point also, this line. Got it? Now this is going to be isometric view of a combined solid.